Okay. Hello, dear friends. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's Ocoopa. 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 Let's take a look at these. Open it up. Rechargeable hand warmer. Okay, let's see. Qu'est-ce que vous nous mijotez? Qu'est-ce que vous mijotez? Qu'est-ce que vous nous... Oh, they are so cute. So cute. Oh, me too. Okay. Oh, this is so good. Oh, the size is just perfect. Oh, this is the charging. And how do I make sure it is? It's, oh, this is the press the button. Oh, starting. See? Okay, this one I have started. Oh, it is warm. This side is the warm side. And this is cold because I have not yet started. Yeah. Oh, that's a good feeling actually. It's getting cold these days. And sometimes that when you are getting outside, starting to feel cold, this is the feeling of something dry. You hold a hand that is warm and dry. Oh, it's how do I say? It's even like because this is small, even like when there are some students, you hold hand of a young children, of a young child. When I held the hand of my own children, and yeah, it's only one side. This side is not. It's no difference. That feels so good. Long press. It starts almost immediately. Oh, I love it. It's so comfortable. Yeah. And I think there is something else. So you can recharge it. Oh, there is charger. I was thinking there is no charger, but they do have. Actually, every time you buy something, there is a charger. You just end up having too many chargers. So this is the way you hold it so that it will not fall off. Ooh, it's warm and a little bit, yeah, a little bit higher than our body temperature. It's not burning, but it can be very comfortable. See, my hand is holding it, and it's not yet that cold. When it is much colder, it will be, yeah. Okay, let's see. Go outside. Outside is cold. Try it. Okay, you see, I think it's oh, this color. Purple goes with purple. It's perfect. So when you go out, you can just do like this with with this funny stuff, dingling. And if you feel cold, then you can press it strongly. And if not, you can just walk like this, and then the finger will be, oh, every morning when I go to swim, I always feel cold in my hand. And this will be just perfect. You can hold this way to warm up the finger. See? You can warm up your finger by holding it this way, or warm up your palm by holding up this way. The white is not hot. It's not warm. And yeah, it's good. It's good. Oh, better than I expected. I was thinking, who has made this design? What is the purpose of it? It is useful. It's quite useful. It's quite a good, smart design. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goo, goo, bye, bye.